It's my advice to anyone else that might be contemplating taking their staff through a Genesis education curriculum. It starts with examine your motives, really. As a company, um, if you understand why you're doing what you're doing and you do it for the right reasons, then, and in our case, the right reason is we want to have an education based sales process. And so, um, as opposed to a, financial motivated sales process. And so I believe using a Genesis education curriculum puts us in a position where we our team will be in the best position to win. And ultimately, when you have a sales organization, it's how do I equip our team with the tools necessary to win in the marketplace. And so I do believe um, we as a company have a responsibility to put our team in the best position to win. And I believe that education to the team that then spills over into education based sales process puts them in a better position to win. And ultimately, that's, what we want to do. We want to win more.